Hello and welcome. You are listening to Daily Easy English. This lesson is slow, simple, and clear. It is made for beginners. Here is today's advice. Listen with patience. Learning takes time. Let's begin the lesson. Today, I want to talk about eating lunch. Around the middle of the day, I feel hungry. My body needs energy. I prepare my lunch. The food smells good. I sit at the table. I take a moment before eating. I pick up my food. I eat slowly. I enjoy the taste. I focus on my meal. I chew carefully. I feel relaxed. I drink some water. I take a short break. I do not rush my lunch. I enjoy the quiet moment. After eating, I feel full. My body feels satisfied. Lunch gives me strength. I feel ready to continue my day. Eating calmly helps me feel better. Now, repeat after me. I eat lunch slowly. I eat lunch slowly. The food tastes good. The food tastes good. I feel full and comfortable. I feel full and comfortable. Very good. Keep moving forward. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. Try to listen while resting after lunch. See you in the next lesson.